Bagay ba sa'kin ang kulot? Kailangan ko mag-change ng nails, like ano mas bagay sa'kin, nakalugay or ano, like naka-pony? Not good. Very makoy, makoy, makoy. Too early, ha? It's too early for that. Not good. Okay. Set ka time mo everyday kung anong oras ka mag-live. Ay, kasi ano, I don't have, usually pag spare time ko lang. Kaya ano, depende. Kasi I'm a busy, 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 busy. A busy bee. Sobrang busy ako. Like, dami kong ginagawa kasi. Aray ko, huwag naman ipakita yan, please. What? Uy, Makoy, kumain ka na. Ganda naman, bebe ko. Jolly. Jolly? Jolly? Jolly, jolly, jolly. Mag-ano? Ano ako? Okay, thank you. Yes, yes, yo. Yes. Okay, kumain ka na, Makoy. Kumain na kayo, guys. Wala akong ano. Feeling ko wala ako sa... Parang bet ko lang magpahinga ngayon eh. Actually, I'm... What? Driving? Dri Driking? What? Kain ka na, baby ko. Oh my God. I have a bebe here. I have a bebe here. Grabe. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. Lalaro-laro ko muna sa dito. Drinking her in my house and Hoy, Makoy, are you a little bit drunk because your English is so ano? I can't I couldn't even understand what you Diyos ko po, Makoy, ano ka ga? Ano ka ga, Makoy? Not really. Wow, not really. Correct. O, di ba? John or Jane? Is it John? Thank you for that one. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Where are you from? How are you? Have you eaten dinner na? Yan, yung mga magsasandang beans, tatanungin ko sila. Because they deserve my attention. Ganda mo naman. Thank you, thank you. Teka, pwede ba mag-up sa live mo? Oh, gusto mo ba? Mag-up ka sa live ko. It's okay.